So what is the plan for today, Natalie? We're gonna start, let me say something.
Pool.
All right, she revealed already. So today is the big day because today we're gonna start building the swimming pool. We didn't want just to build a swimming pool, we decided to build a pool theater. Where the shovel is, and we want to build the pool there, decking around and everything. You will see everything, you know, when the video is going to be released.
And I'm baby goat.
If we get 1,000 subscribers then in 2 months, then we're going to buy a small goat. We are downstairs now, and what we're going to do, as I said, we're going to prepare the floor, well, the land for the swimming pool to go on top. So the idea for this video was to put the swimming pool land, where the swimming pool is going to come on top, over here. But the problem is we found the pipe. The pipe is cracked a bit here. I'm going to try to cut the pipe from here to here, then put a junction in between. But the idea for the swimming pool to be here, the reason is simple. So over there we've got space where we can, put the theater, the projector, and we can see everything over there from the swimming pool, which is going to be here. Well, it looks like obviously we cannot do the swimming pool today. At least we unblocked the pipes, which is helpful for later on. What I'm going to do now is try to clean this mess from here out, repair the pipes. After a few hours of work, I managed to close it up completely. Now I'm gonna fill up the hole, and that's all for today, guys. We're ready to, it already took like half of the day and I'm under the sun. I don't really want to. Thank you for watching, and we will see you tomorrow or after tomorrow with another video. And hopefully, we're gonna be ready to start prepare the land for the swimming pool. Yeah, let's hope so.